Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to my portfolio presentation. My name is Hegira Meka Medina Safri and I'm a software engineering with expertise in both web and mobile app development. In this video, I'm going to take you on journey through my work, my projects, the skills I've developed, and the experience that have shaped who I am as a developer. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of what I bring to the table as a software engineer and how I could potentially contribute to your team. So, grab some coffee, sit back, and let's get started. So, the first here, I have my portfolio in 2025, of course. Yeah, as a software engineer. Okay, here. Let me start by introducing myself a bit more. So, my name is Hegira Meka, and I'm a software engineer student with a strong passion for mobile app development and also website development. And for the past 2 years, I've been actively involved in various projects, both as a contributor and a coordinator. So I've always had a natural curiosity for technology. Ever since I was young, I've been fascinated by how things work, especially when it comes to computers and software. This interest led me to pursue a career in software engineering. But I don't just write the code. I think about how to solve problems, how to optimize systems, and how to make technology more accessible for everyone. Yes. So I consider myself someone who is always learning, whether it's through reading tech blogs, watching tutorials, or collaborating with fellow developers. And I'm always trying to expand my knowledge to stay updated on the latest trends and tools. I believe that growth is essential in this field, and I'm constantly working to refine my skills, whether I'm working on a mobile app, a website, or even just a small script. My goal is always to create something that's clean, efficient, and scalable. And also, here I'm known for being a fast learner, adaptable, and detail-oriented. Yeah. So get in touch. Here I have some my contact, my LinkedIn, also my GitHub, my Instagram, my phone number, and also my email. Okay. Next, here, take a look at my resume. So the first is my educational background. Here, currently, I'm in seventh grade at IDN boarding school. And yeah, and while I haven't graduated yet, I'm already deeply passionate about software engineering. Even though I'm still in school, I've started working on various projects that have helped me build a strong foundation in software development. And yeah, here also my language and also my skills. So yeah, although I'm still learning, I've already started exploring technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Dart, or even framework like Bootstrap here, Tailwind, and also Flutter and Laravel. Yeah, something like that. I believe the experience I've gained so far has been incredibly valuable, and I'm always eager to continue developing my skills in this field. And also here I have some certificates. The first is from the Coding Academy. In here I learned about the basic web programming. Yes. And also here I joined Logitech Samsung Innovation Campus Batch 6. And then also certificates when I internship as developer at PT Algoris. And for the competition here, I got the first place in web development in web design competition at Festival System Informasi 2024. Let's dive into the project I've worked on. So this is where things get exciting because as a software engineer, I get to create a real world solution that people actually use. Here are some of the projects I'm really proud of. So the first is here I have a scientific website or e-commerce website. So this is website commerce that I just make the UI or the front end. And in here I use HTML, File 1 and also Figma for make the design. Here the features is of course just like interactive UI, navigation flow, responsive design of course, because in here I'm not use backend, so it's just the front end. And then here my GitHub link, and also we can visit the website. Here we have Waryung. or e-commerce web also. And in here, this is actually a collaborative project with a small team. So this is the competition that I win with my friend, and because it's a website design, so it's just the UI or the front end. Here, the feature is also interactive UI and navigation flow. Then in here, the search, I have my GitHub link, and also the we can visit the website. And then next, book website, and this is an article website. So this is also a collaborative project with my team as a final project. Yes, my final project when I was 10th grade. So this website we use HTML, CSS of course, and also we use Bootstrap and Laravel. So in here we use backend, and me here as a web developer in backend. So yeah, and in here we like make article website for presentability of present content in a simple way. And the one that I like from this project is this is have the layout is clean and easy to navigate. And yeah, the feature is we can add, edit, and delete articles as an admin, and also we can read articles in the web. And this web have responsive design and interactive UI. Then also next here I have stream view. So this one, this is my final project. Yes, my final project. So I made this with my friend also, like two people. And here me as a mobile developer, and we using Flutter and Figma for design. And also, yeah, this is we make just the UI, and we not touch like Firebase or something. Nah, this is one. This one is my OG.com. So here me as a mobile developer, but here we use Flutter and also Firebase as a backend. So this is literally application that we can use as a real-time application. So for customer service, so as a supervisor, we can see the detail of customer service, see the progress of customer service, and something like that. And the feature here, in here we have display daily or week customer service statistic, and also detailed CS information. And in here we also can generate quotation. So yeah, here there is the GitHub, and also actually in the stream view we can download the application, but for the Trusin it will be released soon. So yeah, and then next here, let me walk you through some of the experience I've had in the industry. First, I had the opportunity to teach some school here. Look, I do IDN teaching, and I teach to SMA N2 Jonggol or SMA Negeri 2 Jonggol, and I teach on August about HTML and CSS basic. Here I make a simple landing page website using VS Code. Yes. And then yeah, I had the opportunity to teach software engineering basic to high school students. And this experience was especially rewarding because I wasn't just learning about technology, but I was also teaching the next generation of developers. It helped me sharpen my communication skills as I had to explain complex concepts in a way that was simple and easy to understand. And yeah, also here I do identity teaching and SMK Dewantara. Here I teaching on October 4th to 6th. And yeah, it's I teach about HTML and CSS basic. And we make a simple landing page website using VS Code. And yeah, I also had to stay patient and adaptable as every student learn at their own pace, in addition to teaching. Then next here, nah, this one. So I also complete a 3-week internship at PT Algoris. So during my internship, I was involved in the front end website. So here we make a digital mosquito display clock using VS Code, of course, and here I become the front end website. I also do this project with my friend, and I become the front end developer. Working alongside experienced developers was an invaluable experience because it gave me a first-hand look at what it looks like to work in a professional development environment. It also taught me how to prioritize tasks, manage time effectively, and collaborate with a team to achieve common goals. The skills I gained during this internship have been crucial to my growth as a software engineer. And then also next here, testimonial. So, here's a little something I'd like to share. I received some feedback from my ID teacher, Miss Setianingudi, who said, Hega Meka adalah seorang siswi yang memiliki rasa ingin tahu yang tinggi dan bisa menjadi eksekutor yang baik dari setiap instruksi yang diberikan, khususnya dalam konteks programming yang membutuhkan kemampuan analisa dan logika yang baik. And also here I got from my another teacher, it's Miss Wida Mudrika, who said that Hegira adalah siswa yang disiplin, tenang, dan memiliki kemauan untuk terus mengeksplorasi kemampuan di bidang web development. Ia mampu mengatur estimasi waktu dengan baik saat mengerjakan proyek, sehingga selalu menyelesaikannya dengan tepat waktu. Nah, so yeah, I always rewarding to receive feedback from someone who has seen you grow and improve, and it really motivates me to keep pushing myself forward. And it reminds me that I'm on the right path and that my efforts are making an impact. Okay, and then we're almost at the end of this portfolio presentation. I hope you've gotten a good sense of who I am, what I work on, and how I approach software engineering. I'm always looking for a new challenge, and I would love to the opportunity to work with passionate teams who share my drive for creating impactful software. If you're interested in collaborating or discussing any potential project, feel free to reach out to me. You can contact me through here. I have my LinkedIn, GitHub, and also my phone number and email. I'm open to networking and new opportunities. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Thanks again for watching, take care, and remember, it's all about solving problems, building solutions, and creating something that makes a difference. Bye!